welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about lavender. I'm going to be talking about its origin, the side effects, the benefits, and how to make a tea. Hello, my name is Lisa, and welcome to my channel of Lisa's Herbs and Cosmetics. It's all about herbs and different stuff like that. Origins. Lavender is from the mint family. It's a flower plant that is from the mint family. It is native to the Mediterranean, the Middle East, even parts of India, and we can distinguish it or identify it by its sweet floral scent. Now, the side effects of lavender tea, if you drink too much, is it could give you headaches, it could increase your appetite, and it can give you constipation. But that's if you drink too much. And then the health benefits of lavender, it may boost your sleep and make it easy for you to unwind at nighttime while you're sleeping. It may also detoxify the body. And lavender has antioxidants that work to get rid of toxins that can cause bad side effects. And it can also help ward off the flu, the common cold, because when you drink the tea, you are getting vitamin C, the calcium, and magnesium when you drink it. And it also may help fight off viral, bacterial, and fungal infections. And another good benefit of drinking lavender tea is that it may help relieve stress, tension, headaches, muscle pain, depression, vomiting, gas, or it may help relieve the swelling of the abdomen. Now, I am not a medical doctor, so if you are pregnant or you're breastfeeding or if you're taking medications, you should talk to your doctor or your naturopath or a pharmacy just to make sure it won't interfere with any of the meds that you're taking. So we're also going to make a tea. So right now I have my tea boiling in a electric tea kettle. You can use the stove. And then I have my cup. And then I have my tea. Now you can use a tea bag, or you can use dry lavender leaves, or even fresh. I just like the dried. So then what you do is you can get a tea bag, or you can get an infuser. And so you just take 1 teaspoon. Now lavender can have an overwhelming taste. So you can either do 1 teaspoon or as much as you want, but it is going to give you, it's going to be a hard taste at first if you're not used to it. So then you just put it in your diffuser, and then, this one is hard to get. My daughter-in-law gave this to me from my tea. And then you just take a diffuser. Obviously mine's going to go like right here. And then you just take your water and then you just pour it in. Normally I love teacups, but at this time I don't have a teacup, which I will be getting, and then it'll be smaller. And then basically, and then you just let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. That's up to you. I usually do about 3 minutes because I like the strong taste. And then actually after you're done, when it's done steeping, then you can have lemon, you can use sugar, you can use cinnamon even, or you can use honey. That's totally up to you. So then you just let it sit, you just let it steep. Now normally it would be good to cover your tea because that way you're not letting all the nutrients out. Sorry about the light. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm still learning how to make these videos, and so I'm hoping you enjoy it. If you do like my content, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell button if you want to see some more of my videos. Thank you, and have a great day.